Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 6-pack of men's Fruit of the Loom Stay Tucked white undershirts. So the reason I got these is because they're one of the few undershirts I found that actually come in a large tall. So let's go ahead and open them. It's not going to be too much to show you, but at least I can pull one out and we can take a look at it. So again, you get 6 t-shirts. They do have different color options. If I remember right, you could basically get white or you could get black. Not sure how well you're going to be able to see that. I'm going to let you look at the tag. I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing unboxings just so you can look at what the item looks like when it comes in, what's the quality like, what's packaging like, etc. Not much to show you other than the material of the t-shirt. 6 of them, they are nice and long. Thanks for watching.